In this video, I will be cleaning this gutter. The tools I will use is a standard garden hose attachment, a garden hose, a spray bottle, and this cleaning solution that I got at Lowe's. First, I will take my cleaner and add half of the concentrate cleaner to the water bottle. Then I will dilute the concentrate with fresh water. This gives me a 50-50 mix. Then I'll put my top on the spray bottle and I'll turn the bottle upside down one time to ensure that the concentrate and water have mixed. Now I want to spray the bushes and the ground where I'll be spraying the solution. This is going to help the chemical stay off the bush and stay off the ground to not discolor the sidewalk. Now I'll take the spray bottle and turn the nozzle to ensure I have a steady stream. Then I'll have at it on the gutter. I will concentrate mostly on the dirtiest areas and work my way down. Basically just getting a nice coat on everything with this concentrate. Then I'll change my nozzle to spray and spray just under. If it goes on the wood here, it's fine. The wood is painted, so that's fine. After about a minute, I'll go ahead and get my garden hose and I'll use just the pressure of the hose to clean this gutter. No need to go on a ladder or use any special cleaning tools. After that's all rinsed down, you can see the difference here between the cleaned and uncleaned surfaces. I really like this product because it saves me from having to go up and down a ladder. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe.